morning. I'm reporting from Hyatt Hotel here in Dubai, where 2023 Backgammon Oasis Championship is held. This is the second day of the tournament. We arrived yesterday early in the morning. We just slept throughout the day and got ready for the main category, which started yesterday evening. So far the score is 1-1, and my feelings, my emotions have been amazing because, well, there are so many top players from the world. There's like 300 players total, like 170 in the main category, and it's gonna be around 100 in the intermediate category as well. And also some other players came just to hang out and have fun. What we came here to do is to win, or at least to be in the finals, because the finals will be played on the top of the Burj Khalifa. I mean, this is like the dream of all backgammon players. Like, so far, what I've been very jealous about was UBC, where Dirk played against Mochi in Turkey in Fenerbahce Stadion, and it was, I mean, I was like super jealous, right? So I always wanted to be in the finals since then. Well, this finals should be even, I wouldn't dare to say more amazing, but it's gonna be something unique. It's gonna be unique experience, so we want to win, we want to get into the finals, and of course then win afterwards. So far we are not doing so well. We won one match last night, but lost one as well. And it's 1 p.m. shortlist, so we are going to be playing on the stream against Frank Talbot, very strong US player. So let's win this and let's get closer to living a dream and getting to the Burj Khalifa on the top. Oh, and by the way, food, venue, boards, everything is luxurious, everything is beautiful, so all my emotions are all over the place. So I will show you everything around, but now we need to go play and win this round, so let's see. It's unfortunate, dreams are being crushed. We lost our third round, we were down to 7. We came back to 8-7 Crawford, and then, unfortunate as it happens sometimes, you lose in backgammon even though you were winning a lot. Well, it was a tough match. We played against Frank, we both played kinda well. I was a little bit upset with some of my mistakes. Anyways, so what's the situation right now? The tournament is being played on 3 losses, so each player's got 3 lives. Currently, we lost twice, so we've got 1 last life to win the tournament, to stay in the tournament, to survive and actually win. So that means we need to win like 10 or 11 times in a row. Well, that can happen, but well, we are not magicians, so it's probably not gonna happen. Let's be realistic. So what the plan is right now, we need to prepare ourselves. Tonight, after the dinner, the double start, and tomorrow super jackpot as well. So what the plan is just, of course, to finish main, play main, and try to win as many matches as possible. Maybe to cash still if we win 5, 6, 7 rounds. But the main thing is just to be good with physical shape and psychological shape as well. So we will get some nice food. There's a nice buffet here, great drinks, great fresh drinks. So really looking forward to that. I will show you around, and that's what the plan is.
We score he once again.
Not the best start of the tournament. We lost the main category, unfortunately, so we will not be playing the finals of the Burj Khalifa. At least we've got some nice company. Oh, hello. One last quick update before the double start. We will keep an eye on the main category, as again, this will be one of the most exciting things what's going to happen. The final of the Burj Khalifa. We will cheer for Jeff Hall, Mochi, or Tony Bernaba. I think they are got 0 or 1 loss, so they are still they've got great chance to still cash, to still get into the finals. We didn't check any other names, but we will see what our friends are still in. Now we need to start our doubles match in 5 minutes, so let's win. Let's finish this day at least a little bit happy. Alright, let's do a little summary of what happened today. So we get out of Maine very early, but it's still okay. It's gonna be exciting to watch the finals anyway. Luckily, we won 2 rounds of doubles, so at least that's good news. After kind of a long wait for playing the first and second round, at least we got a quick, nice round where we got finally lucky, so it's nice to book a win. It always feels good to win or to be in something, so there's always something to play. There can be some excitement, so very happy about this. Continuing tomorrow, and tomorrow there should be, by the way, and now keep listening, mega jackpot, so there's going to be one of that, and super jackpot in the evening, so there should be a lot of action tomorrow. Plus we are continuing the doubles, and of course the main tournament is advancing and confirmed. Mochi is still in, and other top players which I will mention tomorrow, because I really need to study who is in, because again, this tournament is basically not like the Monte Carlo, but very close to it, because again, unique experience. Everybody wants to go to top of the Burj Khalifa. The word is spreading out that the final is gonna be there, so I mean, I'm out, but I'm still excited about it. So first long day behind us. Now what we can expect, well, hopefully just good things. Hopefully we keep winning, we keep going, and just get home some trophy and cash something. That would be nice, right? Because after Monte Carlo, if you remember what I said in the last vlog, it was that it's been a while since there was a tournament where I didn't cash. So well, let's just not make this a thing, yeah? So good night guys, and see you tomorrow with everything, and stay tuned.